What happens when you eat guacamole for 1 month? Guacamole is a popular and delicious food that is made from ripe avocados, tomatoes, onions, cilantro, lime juice, and various seasonings. It is often served as a dip or spread and is enjoyed by many people around the world. While guacamole is known for its great taste and versatility, it is also a nutrient-dense food that provides many health benefits. In this video, we will explore what happens when you eat guacamole for 1 month, including its impact on your health, energy levels, and overall well-being. Improved heart health. One of the most significant benefits of eating guacamole is its positive impact on heart health. Avocados, the primary ingredient in guacamole, are rich in healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are known to help lower bad cholesterol levels in the blood. Additionally, the high levels of potassium found in avocados can help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. In one study, researchers found that individuals who consumed avocados as part of their diet had lower levels of LDL or bad cholesterol and higher levels of HDL or good cholesterol, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. Improved digestion. Another significant benefit of consuming guacamole is its impact on digestion. The fiber found in avocados, tomatoes, and onions can help regulate bowel movements and reduce the risk of constipation. Additionally, the healthy fats found in avocados can help the body absorb and utilize essential nutrients from other foods. The high levels of folate found in avocados also help promote healthy digestion by supporting the growth of healthy gut bacteria. These bacteria play a vital role in the digestion and absorption of nutrients, and a healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall health and wellness. Improved energy levels. Eating guacamole regularly can also have a positive impact on energy levels. The healthy fats found in avocados are an excellent source of sustained energy, providing the body with long-lasting fuel throughout the day. Additionally, the high levels of potassium found in avocados can help regulate fluid balance in the body, which is crucial for maintaining optimal energy levels. Improved skin health. Avocados are also known for their positive impact on skin health. The healthy fats found in avocados help moisturize the skin and reduce inflammation, which can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Additionally, the high levels of antioxidants found in avocados can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can cause premature aging. Improved mental health. Consuming guacamole regularly can also have a positive impact on mental health. The healthy fats found in avocados are crucial for maintaining healthy brain function, and research has shown that diets rich in healthy fats can help reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. Additionally, the high levels of folate found in avocados can help improve mood and reduce the risk of depression. Folate is a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and behavior. Improved immune function. Finally, consuming guacamole regularly can help improve immune function. Avocados are an excellent source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, the high levels of vitamin C found in lime juice can help boost immune function and reduce the risk of infections. Guacamole recipe. Ingredients: 2 ripe avocados, 1 lime, juiced. Half a teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro, 2 tablespoons diced red onion, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 large tomato, seeded and diced. Instructions: 1. Cut the avocados in half and remove the pit. Scoop the flesh into a large bowl. 2. Mash the avocado with a fork or potato masher until it's nearly smooth, with just a few small chunks remaining. 3. Stir in the lime juice, salt, cilantro, red onion, and garlic. 4. Gently fold in the diced tomato. 5. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed, adding more salt or lime juice to taste. 6. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate until you're ready to serve. Conclusion: in conclusion, Consuming guacamole regularly can have a wide range of health benefits, including improved heart health, digestion, energy levels, skin health, mental health, and immune function.